Hello friends, today we're going to be talking to a group that's raising the bar on testing for safety equipment and other components used in our industry. Ready to dig in? Let's go. You've probably heard of the SEMC, which stands for Safety Equipment Manufacturers Committee. They do great work on research initiatives designed to enhance worker safety. I'm here with Jeremy Buckles, chairman of the SEMC. Jeremy, talk about why this group was formed.
We came together with the mentality that we wanted to test equipment the way it's being used in the field and not just prescribed by an ANSI standard. We wanted to show the climbers how their equipment functions under their everyday use. Well, the SEMC is not just a committee, it's a group of friends. We all have a common goal of protecting the climbers because our passion is for the industry.
How long ago did the SEMC form?
We've technically been the SEMC for a little over 9 years now. We've started to do testing originally with step bolts, then the SEMC was officially formed. Nate picked us up as an ad hoc, and we've been able to reach a lot more individuals and get the information out a lot easier and better with Nate.
Is the testing done to the SEMC just to confirm performance to the ANSI standard?
Ironically, no. All the equipment that we do test passes ANSI standard testing. Our testing is more real-world based, and we want to make sure that we show the climbers if it's supposed to function under motion, we're going to test it in motion. There isn't a standard test for that, so that's what we're here for.
Where is this testing performed?
Currently with the Smart Lab at the University of Dayton Research Institute. They've given us the opportunity to bring in our own equipment, tower sections, and they're very accommodating. If we come up with an idea to test, they will help us design it and perform it. The 5 tests that we've come up with in this scenario is to mimic one single day of work. The climber goes up without a safety climb. He has to double hook the whole way up. He has a potential for a force 1 fall at all times. Once he gets to the top of the structure, if he's doing a lighting job or walking on top of a monopole, he's now attached at feet or knee level. That's a force 2 fall. On his way down, he has to go to another sector mount, so he may have to cross the face of a self-support tower. Without anchor straps, he's choking his lanyards back, or potentially having a slide fall down that and making contact with the gusset of the leg. And then the final is once they get out to the boom, they're attached back to the structure, and now they have a potential 90-degree breakover fall where they're falling over the face of the mount and that lanyard is doing a 90-degree leading edge. So all 5 tests could be one single day of work under the same lanyard. There are lanyards that are designed for each specific test, but the climber's only using one lanyard all day for all scenarios.
So we have a factor 1 lanyard and a factor 2 lanyard. What's the difference?
Factor 1 or force 1 fall is climber attached his anchor at the same height or above his dorsal D-ring where his body attachment is, leaving you a maximum fall distance of 6 feet. A force 2 fall is where you're attached below your dorsal D-ring at the feet level, maximum of 12 feet potential free fall distance.
Ready, pull the pin. Pins out.
Is that what you were expecting? Better or worse?
It's better than I was expecting, yeah. So the lanyards, by design, require at least 450 pounds of force to activate the deployment. And obviously it takes whatever the force of the weight coming down. Without that, it would probably hit around 5,000 pounds. But because of the lanyard, maximum resting force on the body with a 6-foot drop like that should be about 900 pounds. Okay. That's good. Yeah.
What other type of equipment have you guys been testing?
We've gone through 4 waves so far of testing on wire rope safety climb sleeves and systems. From that, ANSI has already changed the testing requirements within their standard based on what the SEMC has shown.
How can I and my fellow climbers see the results of the work you're doing?
So all of our information is released after we've done the test via a white paper or an industry best practice document, but it can be found on the website at NATE. We also do trade show events where we present all the videos and information through NATE Unite, or even win events throughout the country. So be sure to look out for us.
That's awesome. Thank you for everything you and the SEMC are doing
Thank
to
you.
keep us safe. That's all for here. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.